In this video, I am going to show you how to connect H2 database with Spring Boot project. And first, open a browser and search Spring Initializer. So click here and select language Java and Maven and add dependency Spring Web, Spring JPA, H2 database and Thymeleaf. And give the name H2 database Spring Boot and click on generate. Now go to the download folder and this is our project H2 database Spring Boot. Right click here and extract all file. Extract all. Now open IntelliJ IDEA and open this project. Click on open and now select H2 database Spring Boot and select this inside the H2 database. Select this H2 database Spring Boot. Okay. And touch the project. Open in new window. Now open the application properties and set the connection string for H2 database and set spring.datasource.url JDBC h2 mem testdb and set the driver name org.h2.driver. Set the username SA and set the password and set the platform org.hibernate dialect h2 dialect and set the console enable true. H2 database is a lightweight in-memory database. Now go to the Java. Now right click here and create a new Java class and give the name employee. And add an annotation here, add entity, this class for database entity. And now add annotation @ID and add at generated value and set the strategy and generation type, set identity. This is auto increment ID. And now set the name, role and ID. So private and ID type long and name ID and private string name and string role. This is our employee is our database table, and ID, name and rows are columns of this table. Now add getter and setter. So right click here and go to generate, and first select all, press shift key and select all. OK. Now right click here and generate, and now setter, and press the shift key and select all. OK. Now create simple UI. Go to resources and template. Right click on template here and create new HTML file and give the name employee form, and create one more HTML page for employee list. So right click here and new HTML file and employees. Now, and this is the code for employee HTML data page, and this is the code for employee form. Create a interface, new Java class, and select the interface and give the name employee repository, and extend this JPA repository, and set here employee and type long, ID type long. Now create a employee service class, and right click here, new Java class, and give the name employee service, and add annotation here, add service, and now auto wired, add annotation auto wired, and auto wired private employee repository, and add a list. So display employee as a list. So public list employee get all employees, and return employee repository dot find all, and create a optional get employee ID for editing employee, find by ID, and now save the new employee. So public void save employee and employee repository dot save, and pass here employee. Now delete same as edit data long ID, get the ID from front end, and pass for the repository employee repository dot delete id. Now decorate the HTML page. So go to statics and new directory here and give the name CSS. And now right click here and create a new file and give the name styles.css. And this is our styles file, CSS file. This is body and h1 and this is table. Now right click here and create new controller class. So give the name employee controller and add annotation here @controller and add request mapping, and this is for home page. Now auto add and call the private employee service. Select employee service. Now get mapping. Now get all employees in list. So employee service dot get all employee and return in employees. And now get mapping add new employee and add the attribute employee and employee form. Return the employee form, this employee form. And now post mapping saving new employee. So create employee and employee service dot save employee and redirect the home page. And our now run the application. And our application running successfully. Now open the browser and type here localhost 8080 localhost colon 8080, right? And this is our employee list. And now click save and our record inserted in our H2 database. Now go to the H2 console. So H2 console and right here localhost 8080 and H2 console. Hit the enter. And this is our console of H2 database. Here is your username and this is our in memory URL JDBC, and right here your password. So our password is password PA password and test the connection, and our connection successfully test successfully. Now go to and our database connected successfully, and this is our table employee and this is our column ID name and rule. Now you can run the query here. Now write the query, select from employee and run the query. And this is our record. Now we have connected with H2 database successfully. Now close this page and close the application. Now restart the application and open browser and type here localhost 8080 and our record deleted. So H2 database is in memory database, very lightweight database, and when our application close, then database dispose immediately. So thank you for watching this video.